SOP Academy. أين نصنع العظماء؟
Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss a new topic, a new lesson, which is conditional, okay, which is conditional. We're going to discuss two types of conditional today, which are conditional type 0 and conditional type 1, okay, conditional, okay, type 0, type 1, okay, what is type 0, what is type 1? Okay, what is type 0? What is type 1? Okay, conditional هو الشرط. Okay, الشرط. عندنا جملة شرط، جملة جواب الشرط. Okay, any conditional sentence starts with what if conditional. If conditional. اللي يهمنا هنا جماعة وش يهمنا؟ يهمنا الزمن، يهمنا التايم or the tense. That's what matters. Okay, what matters is the tense. Okay, put a line or underline the word tense because it's all about memorizing tenses and how we change tenses from one tense to another tense, okay, to another tense. What is conditional type 0? What is conditional type 0 for you? It is a lesson from second year, okay, from second year, but it will be founded the baccalaureate exam, and we should make a revise, okay, for the four types of conditional. Type 0 is the type where we can find true, okay, true informations, okay, true information, such as the, okay, so it's like what, like the sun is turning around itself, okay, around itself, okay, around itself, okay, that's a true information. How can I apply this true information? How can I apply the conditional on a true information? Using the if conditional, okay. We're going to see in the example, okay, but before that, let's discuss the tenses that we can find, the main clause and the if clause, okay. We have two clauses. The first one is called the main clause, and the second one is called what? The first one, yes, and the first one is called the if clause. The second one is called the main clause. Okay, the main clause. Okay, we said that the type 0 is about what? True information or scientific truths. Okay, scientific truths. Okay. Okay, how we can apply the if conditional on true information or scientific truth? We can do that. We can do that in this example. Okay, the example is the following: if the sun turns around the earth. It will what? Okay, the first verb is turns. مصرف يا جماعة في present simple tense. Present simple tense. Okay, it will. Okay, sorry, It creates the day and night. For instance, the day and night. It creates the day and night. Sorry, it creates the day and night. Creates is the present simple tense too. Okay, present simple tense. What we can notice from the example is that the if clause is conjugated in the present simple tense, and also the main clause is conjugated in the present simple tense. That's what? That's type 0. Let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. Example number 2. if you put the water, on 100 degree, it what? It boils. Okay, it boils. Okay, إذا نحطوا الماء على درجة 100 درجة مئوية راح يغلى. Okay, راح يغلى. والإكزامبل نمبر 1 if the sun إذا الشمس دارت حول الأرض أو عفوا الأرض دارت حول الشمس. Sorry, if the earth turns around the sun of the earth. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. The earth turns around the sun. Okay. إذا الأرض دارت حول الشمس راح يعطينا شيء الليل والنهار. هذوما the two things are scientific truth ولا true information. Okay, true pieces of information. Okay, the conditional type 1 now. Okay, conditional type 1. Okay, conditional type 1. The conditional type 1, it takes a part when we talk about things that may happen, okay, or can happen in the future, okay, that can happen in the future, okay, things that concentrate here with my words may or can happen in the future, okay, in the future, okay, in the future. We're talking about what? We're talking about possibilities. We're talking about what? We're talking about possibilities. Okay, that's type 1. Okay, things that may or can happen in the future. Those are called possibilities. Okay, we're going to focus now at the tenses that we're going to use in type 1, the if conditional type 1. Okay, always we have what we call the if clause and the main clause. What changes is what is the tense of both. Okay, things that may or can happen in the future. Okay, I'm talking about things that happens the if clauses we are tackling now. Okay, but the result, okay, it will happen not in the present, but we're going to happen in the future. It means that what? It means that we're going to talk about something that happens in the present, simple, but its result can happen in the future. Okay, can happen in what? In the future simple. We may use the future simple or what? Or may or can. Okay, or may or can. Okay, for possibility. Okay, for or may or can for possibility. For instance, okay, let's make an example. Okay, example. If clause, if you what? Like you, baccalaureate students. Okay, if you what? If you study hard. Okay, if you study hard. The tense is what? The tense is the present simple. Okay, the tense is the present simple. If you study hard, you will, the future simple, you will succeed. Okay, you will succeed. That's the first use. Okay, the present simple. Let's try to may now. You what? You may succeed. Okay, you may succeed. That's the second one. The third one, you can what? You can succeed. Okay, you can succeed. Okay, this is the what type 1, if conditional. Type 1, things that may or can happen in the future. Okay, we call them possibilities. We have if clause, main clause, the present simple tense, and the future simple tense. Okay, the if clause is the verb in the if clause is conjugated what in the present simple tense, and the verb in the main clause is conjugated in the future simple tense, or you can use may or can. Okay, example: if you study hard, you will succeed, or you may succeed, or you can succeed. Okay, you can succeed. This is the if conditional type 1. Okay, now let's move to the other types of conditional: type 1, type 2, and type 3. Okay, conditional type 2 and conditional type 3. Now we're going to deal with what? In the first and second types, okay, we dealt with the real situations, okay, the real situation, little general truths, or whatever you want to call it, okay, but now we're going to deal with what? We're going to deal with unreal situations, okay, unreal situations, okay, unreal situations, okay, type 3. Type 3, type 2, we're going to discuss what? We're going to discuss with things, okay, we're going to discuss with things, okay, or actions, or situations which are unreal, okay, which are unreal, okay, which are unreal, and that won't or don't happen, okay, don't happen, neither what? Neither in the present, nor in the future, okay, nor in the future, okay. Let's explain in Arabic, okay. طيب 2 هذا جماعة وشي راح يحكي على دي زاكسيون ولا دي سيتواسيون ان ريال، اوكي، يحكي على وضعيات غير حقيقية او خيالية، اوكي، اللي مش راح تصرى، مش قاعدة تصرى درك، ومش قاعدة تصرى في الفيوتشر، ومش راح تصرى اصلا. هذوما لي سيتواسيون that won't or don't happen neither in the present nor in the future. نديروا example, okay. Okay, example, for instance, if I concentrate on the tense, always, okay, always concentrate on the tense. If I had $1 million, okay, if I had $1 million. جماعة لهنا مش راح نحوس على لو طون تاع المين كلوز، بصح راح نركز على 3 حوايج اللي ممكن اللي قادر نستخدمهم في 3، وراح يعبر لي على المين كلوز اللي هما if I had $1 million or dollar راح نستخدم واحد من 3 هذوما جماعة اللي هما المودولرز، اوكي، راح نستخدم واحد من 3 هذوما اللي هما I might, I could, I would buy a house, okay, I would buy a house, okay, I would buy what? Buy a house, okay. if conditional كان التنس تاع الفيرب تاعها اللي هو الباست simple، اوكي، اللي هو الباست simple، بصح في المين كلوز استخدمت واحد من المودولرز هذوما اللي هو might, could or would in order to what? In order to declare the main clause, okay, the main clause. This is the type 2. We're going now to move to type 3. Now let's move to conditional type 3. Conditional type 3. As we said, conditional type 2 and conditional type 3 are related to what? To unreal situations, okay. قلنا type 2 unreal situations هذوما يكونوا يا في ال present يا في ال future، اوكي، يا في ال future. بصح بصح في ال conditional type 3 راح يكونوا unreal situations فاش؟ في ال past simple، اوكي، في ال past في الباست. okay in general. في الباست in general. okay how is that يعني لي سيتواسيون هذوما impossible كانوا يتحققوا في الباست. impossible كانوا يتحققوا في الباست. the actions or situations that cannot be happened in the past. okay let's make a small definition. okay conditional type 3 is tackling what? Is tackling situations. okay is tackling situations that what? That cannot be happen in the past. okay cannot be happen in the past. يعني السيتواسيون هذوما impossible كانوا يحصلوا okay في الباست واللي هما دي سيتواسيون ان ريال. okay unreal situations. نهزو example for that. okay if I had studied I في ال type 2 قلنا عنا would could و might. okay could would و might يقعدوا هذول. okay يقعدوا يا جماعة could would و might. okay plus وشي plus have plus past participle of a verb. okay if I had studied I could ولا I would ولا I might have what? Succeeded. okay have succeeded. okay sorry انتبهوا من هنا يا جماعة. okay succeeded هذا ال past participle مش past simple يا جماعة. it's the past participle مش الباست سيمبل لانه verb regular it's regular verb حتى هو يكون زي الباست سيمبل. اوكي زي الباست سيمبل. if I had studied harder, let's make an adjective in here. if I okay also yes if I had studied harder I could or I would or I might have succeeded. okay الرول واش تقول يا جماعه. okay الاف كلوز فيش يكون مصرف في الباست perfect. okay يكون مصرف في الباست perfect. okay المين كلوز راح تكون I اللي هو السبجكت ولا المهم subject. okay راح يكون subject plus what? plus one of these three. okay يا could يا would يا might واحدة منهم could would might plus what? plus have كيما have تبقى ديما كيما يا جماعة plus pp هو past participle اللي هو past participle. if I had studied harder I could I would I might have succeeded. okay this is the conditional what? type 3 in order to make a reminder. okay type 0 and type 1 are talking about what? are talking about general truths or possibilities, things that might happen. okay the real situations. okay type 2 or type 3 talking about what? talking about unreal situations. this is the conditional.
التوبيخ أكاديمي. أين نصنع العظماء؟